I recently stayed at the Hilton on 4200 City Avenue in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This video I'll focus on giving you a tour of the room that I stayed in, which was a 2 double beds. In a separate video, I'll be going over the hotel amenities and overall stay experience. First of all, if you're not a Hilton's member, you want to probably sign up for one because you can also manage your room and select your room beforehand using the app, and you can even use the app to unlock your room. Of course, if you still prefer a physical card key, you can request one at the front desk. So let's go ahead and first of all check out the room I stayed in. So again, I got 2 double beds. The doorknob has the privacy hanger on there, and do notice this fake deadbolt here, which actually prevents you from unlocking the door from the outside with either your card key or the digital key, which I found out by surprise when I couldn't get into my room with either the card key or my phone because my roommate had accidentally turned that deadbolt. But on the back of the door, there is the floor layout for emergency evacuation. So let's first take a look at to the right, which is the bathroom. So there's a light switch here for this main entryway. And then here's the bathroom. It has this sliding door, so it is a pretty small space as is, so I'm glad they went with this kind of sliding door. It's kind of interesting because it has a translucent design and it just slides on that rail up at the top there. But opening it up, you can see that we have your walk-in shower on the left, toilet right in front of you, and vanity on the right. The toilet paper roll is situated on a very awkward place, so you have to really turn around to get it. So I'm not a fan of that location. But anyways, here is the shower mat that they give you, and here is the walk-in shower. It looks like this bathroom was pretty recently renovated. In terms of the shower goods they give you a pack of regular bar soap, and all of these are Crabtree branded. So you have conditioner, shower gel, and shampoo over there, all of which worked pretty well when I used it. And then you have a rain shower, and you can also switch to the option of a handle, as you can see here. And then there's a look at the drain. So very open design overall. Cleanliness wise, it looks pretty clean. I do see there is signs of perhaps mold towards the bottom in the grout area. You can see the black on the side panels versus higher up, but overall I am pretty happy with the cleanliness of the shower. It's a pretty open design. You can see there's no door to the shower, and there's also a little hook right there for your towel. Moving on to the toilet area, you do get 2 options of water levels for flushing. There's that toilet paper in that awkward spot that I mentioned earlier, and there's this plastic bagless trash can to the right of the toilet. And then here also open right out is there's extra box of tissues, extra roll of toilet paper. Also underneath the sink exposed are your towels and washcloths. Originally, they just gave us 3 sets. I'm not too sure why they picked 3 because we did have requested 2 adults in this room, but technically this room can hold up to 4 people. So not sure why they went with 3 there. But here's a look at the sink. Pretty simple, modern looking. There's that bar of soap, which we already opened. Again, Crabtree and Evelyn branded. There's a single makeup remover, 3 hand towels, and then also a box of very interesting spread out tissues in a box. And then here mounted on the wall is some body lotion, which was actually really nice. You do get this really large mirror, and then you can see that you can request other complimentary items like a razor, toothpaste at the front desk, and you can also request for housekeeping to whatever interval you need it as. In the drawer here, you can find a hair dryer. Now you may be wondering, how do you even lock this door? Well, here's how it works. You slide it over, and then over here on the right, you push this little metal piece and it sticks out like that. So it's a physical lock, just like that. It prevents the door from sliding back. And then when you're ready to leave, you push it back down, and then you can slide the door open once again. Across from the bathroom is your hallway closet here, and it's quite large. Inside is an organization drawer here, and then on top of that is a safe, which you can set your own combo for. Up in the corner is an iron as well as an ironing board, and you do get a few coat hangers here. And they do have a valet laundry system, so if you wanted to pay them to do your laundry, you can do that. But overall, a pretty spacious closet, and next to that is a full-length body mirror. Now let's take a look at the main space. Again, I did get the 2 doubles, so 2 double beds, and there's a little nightstand in between. There's a chair in the corner, a small table, a desk with a desk chair, and TV. So taking a closer look at these double beds, you do get 4 pillows each. The headboard does tend to show a bit of wear, as you can see here. Same story on the other bed, and you can see kind of how they have made the bed. Most of the lighting has their individual switches, so you can switch on and off each of those lights there. There are also some outlets right here, including USB Type A ports, so you can directly plug in your phone. And you have an iHome, which didn't really work when we were there, and also the phone to call anywhere within the hotel. Because I am a Hilton Silver status, thanks to the Hilton credit card that I have, did a whole video on that if you're interested. They do give me 2 complimentary water bottles when I checked in. Nightstand drawer has a Holy Bible to be expected in most US hotels. Across from the bed is a 42-inch TV with some limited channels. Underneath that you have a mini fridge, no freezer on this one, and it didn't really work in our case either, so we were kind of hesitant in putting actual stuff that require refrigeration. But anywho, next to that is the dresser with ample amount of additional storage space, and you can see we already have the luggage holder out and in use that was used to be folded up in the closet. And next to that we have a desk work area, and it has its own, again, light switch. I do want to note that they do have free Wi-Fi here, but I was not able to sign on at any point during my stay, so don't expect to have reliable Wi-Fi if you wanted to work from this hotel. They do have outlets similar to what you find near the nightstand in the desk, and then you have another trash can here. They have an office chair, which is pretty nice. On top of the desk, they do have a coffee maker, and they have some packets of tea and coffee, but I don't really know if those are complimentary or not, so we just played it safe and didn't use it. Moving over to the middle here, there is a small round table with an ice bucket, which we filled up with ice right away. And there's also a small lounge chair next to that. We have a pretty big window here. They have curtains and shades. The particular view we got was facing the street coming into the hotel, and then you can also see there's a big body of water just across too. So it's pretty nice actually looking at it at night. But since we are overlooking the main road, it did get a little bit noisy at night with traffic or sirens, but I think we were still high enough so that the sound wasn't too obnoxious. Each of the rooms do come with its own thermostat, so you can control the temperature in your own room. Very simple to use, just 2 buttons basically. And each room is of course equipped with mandatory safety features, including a smoke alarm, smoke detector, and sprinkler system. So we stayed in this room for 2 nights. Overall, we had a pretty pleasant stay. Cleanliness could be a little bit better. We walked in and the floor was clearly a little bit dirty, and I think there's some places they just simply don't clean. And I think they were just extra busy that particular weekend with a conference going on, so our used towels were just kind of just piled up outside the door the whole time. Some furniture and appliances were in disarray. Of course, that mini fridge didn't work at all in our stay, but overall I think it was okay, just a little bit overpriced for, I think, the condition of this room. But if you're interested in what other amenities this hotel offers, definitely subscribe to see my video when that drops. But otherwise, feel free to check out my channel for other videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.